Hello everyone, this is Kevin, your entrepreneur, and Uber will now be offering insurance to drivers in select cities in the United States, where basically, if the way I understand it, if you are in an accident while you are driving for Uber, you will be covered up to $1 million. Now, you might be asking, well, that sounds like a great deal. How can I be a part of that? First of all, I should mention it's only in 8 cities to start. And Uber has already said that they are not making any money off of this. They just think drivers should have the option to low-cost health insurance. So if they're not making money off of it, it probably won't last. But let's give them the benefit of the doubt. So what do the drivers need to do? Well, first of all, you need to be in one of these 8 cities, and you have to opt into their program, which I have not opted in because it's not in my city yet. But I hear that if I moved one city over, it would be. And for these benefits, at the moment, Uber is not taking anything out of the driver's pay, unlike Europe, where they're taking like £2 out of each week, I think, to pay for it. What Uber is doing instead is they will be charging passengers 5 cents more a mile to cover the cost. Now, of course, Uber passengers are complaining about this, but hey, you know what? It's 5 cents. It's a nickel. So you go 10 miles, you spend an extra 50 cents on your Uber. If you're going to complain about an extra 50 cents for your Uber, guess what? You're in for a rude awakening when the prices for these rides go up next year, because trust me, they have to be going up soon. Uber cannot afford to be charging what they're charging right now much longer at all. So I have to say, at the moment, I am impressed. I don't know how good the insurance is going to be, but you know what? It's you got to start somewhere. However, I have to stress, if this is available in your city, sign up for it now. Opt in for it. Because here's the thing. They're going to be charging those nickels on the passengers, whether you've opted in or not. And if you don't opt in, that extra 50 cents per ride, that's going straight to Uber's bottom line, and they're not giving you anything. You get into an accident, hey, guess what? You didn't opt into the program. You're not covered. Of course, I always recommend you have your own personal ride-sharing insurance, in addition to this, because a real insurance company is still better than anything Uber's is. But you know what? Here's the thing. As long as this is always free and it's like a little backup plan for drivers, this is a good thing. This is a good thing. And, I mean, of course, it also shows, I mean, they're only charging 5 cents a mile for this. It really goes to show that if Uber just raised the prices for their rides by $1, a lot of people would be very, very happy. Uber would be making their money. We'd be making extra money. Why can't they do it? I don't know. But this shows that incremental price increases, will do good things. And it doesn't have to hurt anyone really in the long run. So anyway, what do you folks think? Are you going to be trying out this special insurance program? Is it even in your area? I would love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.